Dude, I was about to upload a video and another special marine warning. What the heck? Oh, look. Reports lightning. That was Eureka, California.
The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service.
Lightning struck a home shattering windows. What? How's that possible? Oh my god. Another special marine warning.
Until 11:45 a.m.
Dude, they're moving more faster.
11:12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Gosh.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing
Dude.
waterspouts was located 29
Oh my
nautical miles
god.
southwest of Point Nuevo, moving north
What
at
the
25
heck?
knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts.
Dude, how's that even possible?
Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can
Oh my
easily
god.
overturn boats and create local
Dude, what the heck?
small craft could be damaged.
Oh
and
my
bring higher
god.
winds and suddenly
Another special marine warning.
a severe thunderstorm will remain over
Dude, they issued another one. It's gonna be a double header.
harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Oh my god.
Thunderstorms
Another special marine warning. What the heck?
waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas.
Dude,
Safe harbor immediately.
another one. It's all the way down there. Like Clury.
The following
What?
is an
It's
urgent
not a
warning
double
from
header.
the National Weather Service.
We'll just wait for it.
National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area.
There it goes. Dude, how did we get another one? Like, oh my god. How is that even possible? Dude, this EAS compilation is gonna be very long.
The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service.
Gosh, dude, what the heck?
National Weather Service in
Oh
the
my
San
goodness.
Francisco Bay Area has issued a special marine warning for waters from Point Pinos to Point Piedras blunt of 10 to 60 nautical miles
Gosh.
until 11:45 a.m.
Dude, what the heck?
At 11:14 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a strong thunderstorm was located
What is
41
happening?
nautical miles west of Silverleaf Point, moving north
The
at
heck?
25 knots.
I swear, if another one appears. Oh my god.
Source: radar.
Oh my god.
Small craft could be damaged and bring higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Dude,
The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
the heck?
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm.
Yeah.
If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Dude, I'm literally eating my pancakes. What the heck?